Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're editing cinematic films, YouTube videos, travel content, gaming montages, or short-form videos, yeah, color grading can completely transform the look and mood of your footage. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you want to color grade. Next, open the color page from the bottom workspace menu. This is where all color correction and grading tools are located. Now click the video clip you want to color grade from the timeline. DaVinci Resolve also supports LUTs, which are preset color grading styles you can apply quickly. For more advanced grading, use the curves section to control brightness and color tones more precisely. Now compare the graded footage with the original clip to make sure the changes improve the overall look. Once your color grading looks good, open the Deliver page and export the final video in high quality. And that's basically how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With the right lighting, tones, and cinematic adjustments, you can make your videos look far more professional and visually impressive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.